So in the previous class, we have studied about the types of ovules and their particular structures, and with respect to that, we have completed the Orthotropous ovules, what actually the Orthotropous ovules is, and what are the main parts included under in it, and what are the functions of their particular parts. And I have initially told you what are the characteristics of Orthotropous ovules and what does it is on what basis it is differentiated. uh, there is two types of parts that will define what actually the arthropause and what are the many types of ovules are based on the position of a micropolar end as well as a chelacal end as well as funical end as well as funical position. They have described, they have completely differentiated the types of ovules, right? Among those very first one, we have studied the anatropous ovules in detail. When we recall the things of anatropous ovules, what actually the anatropous ovule is. Anatropous ovules in means, ana means completely turned. That means inverted. Tropos means turned, right? Tropos means turned. That anatropous, the name itself it indicates it is completely inverted. ಹೌದಾ? Inverted ಆಗಿರ್ತದ. That's why we have studied in those cases. And the respective parts, that is either it is nucellus, either it is embryo sac, either it is what funicle, whatever the functions are there, what are the parts of there, which will be discussed in the previous class. If you didn't watch it, go and watch in my channel that I have uploaded in the previous 5 to 6 days, and go and watch it. That's why if you didn't watch it, you will not you will not go, you will not understood what actually these orthotropous ovule is. In the case of orthotropous ovule, I will just written the shortcut of the parts of the ovule. But in the case of anatropous ovule, I will detail the. Sir, I will neatly explain what the parts are. Right. I have just shortcut the name of the orthotropous names in the case of anatropous ovules. Now, let us begin with the new types of ovule that is called as orthotropous ovule. What is orthotropous ovule? Ortho, the name itself it indicates it is means completely straight. That means 90-degree angle. The ovule which must lie in the position of 90 degree. That means straight. What is tropos? Turn. It is completely turned ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Then it becomes that it is completely it is the ovule and the presence of ovule. This is ovule, right? This is completely together. It is called as ovule, and this is called as embryo sac. Right? I have told you this is there is a presence of a nucella where the embryo sac is completely embedded. But so far so good. I have explained all the parts, but now in the case of orthotropous, ortho means completely straight, right? Tropos means completely what? Completely turned on the earth. That means straight agi ಬೆಳೀತದ. If you can see the presence of a graph, if you draw the graph between xy coordinates, you will get the embryo sac in the position of a 90 degree. Where in the case of I have told you this is differentiated based on the micropolar end as well as chelacal end. If the presence of unical, then it is also differentiated. ಹೌದಾ? Micropolar end ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐತಿ. There is a presence of micropolar end among those lanes. See, in the same line of micropolar end, where does chelacal lies? ಇಲ್ಲಿ chelacal ಹೌದಾ? Where does chelacal lies? There is micropolar end present. That's why it is called as, and among that funicle is also present. See, where the presence of micropolar is there, then there is a presence of chelacal with the presence of funicle. What is funicle? Funicle is a stalk of ovule, right? It is a stalk of ovule. That's why it is called as we helpful to attach to the placenta. It is called as ovule. That's why when orthotropous is asked for 5 marks, just return the things that micropolar and chelacal and funicle lies in the same line. That means it is a 90 degree. That means what? This 90 degree. If you return this one, you will get the marks easily. Now, this I hope you understand the concept that I am teaching you day by day. It's easy for you. And then we move on to the third oval that is called as Amphitropous.